What we do, we charge 3.5% for 12 months. These are the lowest rates in the industry. Our app is on Google Play Store and App Store.
Yes.
So you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store, depending upon what phone you have.
Yes.
I've been banker all through. I've done banking for 42 years.
Yes.
25 years in India and 17 years in Kenya. The idea came almost 8 years back of digital lending. M-Shori, KCB and Pesa were already there. I was impressed. So what I did, in 2017 I left banking.
Yes.
I was MD of M Oriental Bank, left it to start this. 2018 I just devoted to the software and this, and we were able to start in January 2019. We are now 6 years old. First we started with short-term loans the way other lenders do.
Yes.
Then we added FlexiPay and product financing. See, under short-term loans we give loans up to 250,000 and usually they are up to 30 days. And then under FlexiPay we can go up to 12 months and our rates of interest are much lower. We charge 4.5% for 12 months. And then we thought of product financing where we have entered into agreement, tie-ups with Hot Point, Furniture Palace and OpenNet, many other companies. What we do, we charge 3.5% for 12 months. These are the lowest rates in the industry. We deal with salaried people and you need a bigger finance and you cannot pay in 30 days. If you need say 200,000, 300,000
Yes.
and your salary is 200,000, you cannot pay in 1 month. So you can pay over a period of time.
Yes.
So people are able to take under FlexiPay and product financing bigger amounts repayable over a period of 12 months. Our niche market is salaried persons. And then our rates are quite low. Even they are lower than what banks are charging for digital lending. See, normally the banks are charging close to 10% a month. We are charging 8.75%. And then we have even 7 days where we are charging 4.75%, 15 days 6.75%.
Yes.
If you talk of FlexiPay, people are charging, 10% a month.
Yes.
We are charging 4.5% a month.
Yes.
And remember, these are unsecured loans. There is no security. Our app is on Google Play Store and App Store.
Yes.
So you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store, depending upon what phone you have.
Yes.
Sign up, submit your ID and payslip.
Yes.
Then we see whether you are listed because we are licensed by Central Bank of Kenya.
Yes.
So we are able to access, CRBs. So we see it, what has been your repayment history, and then we decide about the loan amount.
Yes.
So if your gross salary is 100,000
Yes.
and your net is say 60,000. Under short term, maximum we give you is 30,000.
Yes.
50% of your net pay, right? Now, if you want to take bigger amounts, you can come under FlexiPay,
Yes.
where you can go up to 500,000, and you can pay, installment of 30,000, 35,000. And just your ID and payslip, and then you will give us post-dated checks.
Okay.
Yeah. We are in banks.
Yes.
We are in 21 banks. We are with insurance companies. We are with multinationals.
Yes.
We are basically at the higher end of the market in salaried persons. Higher end.
Okay.
We are not lending to people who are getting 20,000 a month also. Because over them, even if you give 5,000, it's a big amount. economy is going through a very bad patch.
Yes.
Even if they take 5,000 and they are using for consumption, to repay is very big problem.
Yes.
Because even rate of interest 8.75%, we say it low, but it is not that low. It is per month.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, we see the repayment history.
Yes.
If you have not defaulted for so many years,
Yes.
you are not waiting for Little Pesa to give you a loan and you default. So we go by the repayment history.
Okay.
Yeah, see, we do not take your contact, so we will talk to you. So when we talk to you, you will tell us what was your problem.
Yes.
Now you say you're finding it difficult to pay. You took 30,000, you are finding it difficult to pay. Now, if you are ready to pay in installments, we shift you to FlexiPay. You say I can now pay 10,000 a month.
Yes.
Over a period of 3 months, 4 months. We say it is okay. No problem.
Yes.
There will be some cases where people will not pay. So we have a default rate.
Yes.
We have a default rate of close to 5%. Some people will never pay. We get those people also. That is around 2%.
Yes.
People will just change the SIM card and all that. They will not take our calls even. But others pay, and usually if you are deliberately defaulting,
yes,
we can take you to under small claims courts. Under small claims courts, we are able to recover.
Yes.
Because in our system, default has to be there. So what you can control is you can minimize this. You will never be having zero default, and there will be people who will never pay you. It is okay with us. The rate should not be high. So we are looking at it should not cross 5 to 6%. We want to be a regional player here. After doing well in Kenya, we want to go to Uganda and Tanzania. Uganda, we have already registered a company. So by next year, we should be in Uganda. We are on social media platforms. We are in LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere we are there.
Yes.
And then, we have satisfied customers. We have right now 2,200 customers. They are, giving recommendations to others. Yes. If they are happy, they are giving recommendation to others. So we are getting referrals also.
Yes.
Yeah. See, in a month, what we see, people apply for the loan is in the range of even 40,000-50,000.
Yes.
Out of that, we are able to get maximum 1,000 because usually people are listed. And if you are not paying even 500 to a digital lender or elsewhere,
yes,
you are not going to pay us also. Your repayment history matters.
yes,
The major thing is your software, the app.
yes,
It takes a longer time to establish. There are hiccups, It took us the whole of 2018 to do the app.
yes,
And even 2019 we had some issues. And now, then we saw that what better we can do. For example, people wanted top-up facility.
Yes.
For example, I've given you a limit of 50,000 and you take, say, 10,000. Now, you want to take the remaining 40,000.
yes,
Earlier, initially, you were to pay back 10,000 and then you take 40,000. Then we introduced a top-up facility.
yes,
That you can take 10,000 and the remaining 40,000 you can also take in 3 top-ups. So we introduced top-up facility. Then under salaried persons, what happens is, initially they were taking only when during the close to the payday, right? Now if somebody wants it at the beginning of the month.
Yes.
So what does it do? It will become payable in the beginning of next month.
Yes.
Then we introduced an option where they can choose their payment date. So we give that facility also. So you take, say on 5th of month you take, and you want next month it should be payable on 27th of the month. It is possible.
Yes.
We have that facility. If you want bigger amounts, FlexiPay is required.
Yes.
And now if you want a product, you want a television, right?
Yes.
You go to a company, you go to say Hotpoint. So it is easier for you, go there, just pay 10% to us and remaining 90% you pay us in installments. If you are doing your KYC in a way which we do,
Yes.
the default rate is low. Yeah. So the way I said, if your repayment history is good, most likely you are not going to default. And Kenyans are good in the sense, I am yet to come across a person who says, I have not taken the loan. There is a track record because we disburse through M-Pesa only. But nobody says, I have not taken the loan. Nobody says, I will not pay the loan. People can get into problems and they agree we can pay in installments and all that.
Yes.
So the compliance is good. The repayment is also good. We will be a regional player.
Yes.
And we will be everywhere. In fact, our app is accessible anywhere in Kenya.
Yes.
So we should be at the top end. It is difficult,
Yes.
but still you are able to find very good people. We are okay. We are okay. Among salaried people, you are able to find in banks, insurance companies, multinationals. You are able to find good people. We did, it's a 6-year-old company.
Yes.
We are tax paying,
Yes.
we are dividend paying also. The profit which we made after all appropriations, paying interest to the shareholders and all that, it was around 13 million. And our default rate comes to around 5%.
Yes.
Yeah. Issue has been our visibility. We have not advertised.
Yes.
So for the first time, when we go to Think Business Awards,
Yes.
I think we are getting visible everywhere. So people should know us. Visibility matters. When you see, Little Pesa everywhere, you feel it is a good brand.
Yes.
Yeah. So visibility has been our problem, and I think we are getting there. Don't take big loans. Take loans what is essential for you because you have to pay it, and there is an interest. So before taking a loan, think about a repayment also. See, we are automatically sharing information with the CRBs.
Yes.
So people will be listed if they do not pay. $100%. We see, we are on Google Cloud. Everything is on Google Cloud.
Yes.
So we maintain privacy the way we should do it. Yeah, we feel very excited.
Yes.
I think our visibility issue will be over now.
Yes.
People will be able to see us everywhere, and we will be able to increase business. Yeah, we want to grow, and we want to grow big. Yeah.